All right, folks, finally got the door all the way open. It wasn't bent, it was just dirty. We're gonna have to pressure wash that a little bit more later, but mulcher's ready to go. It's really sunny out today again. So we're back at the swamp, the dirty bunch of debris, like a cart swamp. Last time I was here, I almost stepped on a rattlesnake, so that was cool. So we're gonna try and avoid venomous snake, and we got to mulch 1 acre of this 10-acre property as a demo for a builder. Yeah, it gets real wet right over there, so we're gonna try to keep that for last probably. But anyways, I'm gonna try and get you set up on the current mount on the GoPro mount on the mulcher from the skid steer. I don't know how much of a view it's gonna be for mulching, so I have this suction cup thing that I'll just suction cup somewhere onto the machine on the outside if we don't get a view. So hang tight. come from? Just gotta be easy on the sticks and a little, okay, a lot lucky. That's terrible. I can't. Let's take you for a walk. Oh, look at that mess. Oh, this ain't even worth the money. We're about 2.5 inches of water there. Oh my God, it's squirting up at me. Oh, that's really deep. Oh, what am I doing? That's terrible. Let's take a picture for the customer and tell him why we still can't finish his job. I don't know what a tow bill for an excavator is, or skid steer, but if the Mini X can't get it out, it's probably going to be an expensive ass tow bill. But as you can see, the knives are holding up pretty good. Very happy to have the door back open. Oh my God. Okay folks, so typically I don't like walking away from a job, and I typically don't. There's always a better plan you can put into effect, come out a different way or whatever. But this job, not gonna get mulched, ever. It's just too wet. Here it's fine, obviously. A little hilly Florida, I guess. As you can see right back in there where I went, I made it, what, 50 yards? It just gets worse back there the farther you go. And we're only about, that's only about half an acre right there. That's about 100 feet. So, well, it wouldn't be 50 yards, though. I don't know, about 100 feet. And it just, no bueno. So no point going over this because they're gonna have to get brought an excavator in, and traditional land clearing, a ton of dirt is gonna have to be brought in to after it gets demucked. So a big retention pond is gonna have to get dug and then demucked. Look at that. It's 10 feet below grade here. 10 feet below those apartments over there. About 8 feet below the road. So this was a noob mistake agreeing to do this. I should not have even ventured into this job. But live and learn. Gotta go talk to the client and see if he wants to do land clearing, which involves permits and bigger equipment and all that kind of stuff, which is fun. Don't get me wrong, good for videos. Machine's loaded up. We got a cool little jam. Shouldn't be too hard to get out, but I've never had that before. Oh, look at that. Right in between both tracks. And then we got a mess to clean up. All up in there. I gotta get a piece of rubber to hang right here to kind of deflect that stuff, but I gotta still tighten this down. So I'm gonna hop in Sheepdog and head on down the road.